Hi there, thanks for joining me today. If you're looking for the perfect Easter cake recipe, you're in the right place. Let's get baking. At first, add flour 1 1/4 cup. Then add cacao powder 2 tablespoons, baking powder 1 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon. Mix the ingredients together. Separate 6 egg yolks from whites in room temperature. Add half a cup of sugar. Mix it for 5 minutes until it becomes cream. Add vanilla powder 1 1/2 teaspoon. Vegetable oil 3 tablespoons. Mix the ingredients together. Add half a cup of sugar. Mix them together. Add eggs cream to the mixture. Mix them together. Wipe the baking pan with vegetable oil so that the cake won't stick to the baking pan. Put the cake mixture into the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. Now we're going to prepare inner cake cream. Add 300 gram butter, then mix it until it becomes cream. Then add 200 grams sugar powder. Add 50 grams cocoa powder, then mix them together. One and a half cup of chocolate and 2 cups of whipped cream in the bowl into the microwave for 25 seconds. Then add the mixture to buttercream. Slice the newly baked cake 2 slices from the middle to add the cream. Now I'm preparing the cake topping. Mix 1 cup of chocolate and 1.5 cup of whipped cream until it melts, then keep it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Mix it again after taking out of fridge one more time, then put on the cake. Now I'm sticking KitKat bars all around the cake. Then I'm adding egg-shaped candies on the top of cake with my little boys who are excited to help me with baking Easter cake. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel to see you more exciting dishes like this one. Thanks for watching my video. Happy Easter everyone. See you next video.
Please like and share.